Hello ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, just back with a quick update on the repair job on that missing corner there. So as you can see, it now has the missing bit replaced in solid plastic. It will need to be dremeled and reshaped to make it a little less detectable, but I have the Dremel. No, I'm not sponsored by Dremel. There's the two side by side, so yeah, I don't think it'll take much to Dremel that to match in fairly undetectably. Done a few repairs on this bit too. There was a missing tab here which was completely gone. That's been replaced. There was two cracks there. That's been patched. I may have to patch it from this side as well and fair it in, but we'll see when the plastic sets up. Well, that's it so far. I'll get back to you on the next update.